Hello everyone. After buying a hosting or hosting plan, many beginners don't know the exact place to claim the free domain. In this video, I will show you the correct dashboard steps clearly and simply. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, you will be on the Hostinger dashboard. From the dashboard menu, click on Domains. After opening domains, click on Get a new domain. This is where the domain search option appears. Now type your desired domain name, for example, acnary.com and search. If your hosting plan includes a free domain, you will see free written next to the domain name. In my account, the free label is not visible because I have already claimed my free domain. If the free option is visible in your account, simply click on it. Your domain will be claimed instantly and automatically added to your account. After claiming the domain, it will appear inside the website section where you can install WordPress or connect it with hosting. So this is how you can claim your free domain from Hostinger after buying a hosting plan. Using domains, get a new domain inside the dashboard. In the next video, I will show you how to install WordPress on this domain. Make sure you are subscribed and I will see you in the next tutorial.